continuing from the last video, we may also want to have multiple sites. So in this case, excuse the small screen here, in this case we'll add another site, maybe even another site, and this site will set its region. Let's zoom. If you right click once, you get zoom in. You right click a second time, you zoom out. So we'll simulate something like this. We'll set simulation region. Now you have to be careful because I actually set it on top of this last site. So that will be our first site. Let's set a metrology point. Okay, our second site, we have to double click to get the green dot there, and then we'll set a simulation region in here. I'll zoom in and adjust it so that it's exactly one cell. Again, right click on the right button, or right click drag, and you can pan around. Left click, I get a circle, I zoom. Right click, I zoom all. Now on the second site we'll set a metrology point. Okay, and if I double click, I go to the third site. I right click to zoom all, and this one will set a cut line. So let's suppose we want to set a simulation region that's a cut line, let's say here. So it's got a width of 0. When it has a width of 0, that means it's a cut line. So let's right click to zoom in, and now we're going to put a metrology point here, and now we should be set. So this is now the nominal. Let's dose to size on that. Now let's see why that was complaining. It has the incorrect CD here. The CD should be 45. The problem is that we need to make sure that the polarity is correct. This is a dark spot, so we need to set it as expecting to be dark area. Now we will find nominal threshold and refresh the live view. And when we press simulate, it's going to run 3 cases. Remember, it's anchored to this CD here on this cut line, but then it's going to use that threshold to simulate those 3 things here. So we'll do a matrix plot. We'll just do nominal defocus, and there's our different images.